Many organizations have come to realize that global environmental, social and governance, or ESG problems, cannot be ignored anymore. The demands and needs of investors, consumers, regulators and professional bodies mean that these issues have to be addressed now. Here's the problem. Although the private equity industry has real power to address our society's ESG needs, it is still far away from achieving high levels of automation. In fact, according to KPMG, many traditional private equity firms still rely on Excel-based tools for data collection, storage, and analysis. In addition to this, they struggle with the few ESG solutions currently available on the market.
HERMESNET is on a mission to bring increased automation to the industry. We do this by streamlining ESG and financial data collection, portfolio monitoring and investors' monthly and quarterly reporting activities, and create a single source of trust, enabling immutable databases on blockchain.
As part of our extensive research, we spoke with a wide range of private equity investors and managers and listened carefully to their needs. They told us that the ESG picture was far from being complete, with inconsistent reporting of ESG information and metrics, low levels of information disclosure, omission of material ESG facts in companies' reports, and quickly evolving ESG regulation.
This makes it challenging for them to identify and obtain relevant, comparable, decision-useful information, track and analyze it, and then act accordingly. The result? A fast-growing dissatisfaction of ESG performance by investors due to a lack of data integrity.
They also told us that financial data gathering, portfolio monitoring, investors reporting, and audit are extremely inefficient manual and high-cost processes. The HERMESNET suite of digital tools frees up time for portfolio managers and companies by enabling them to automate their processes and set up an ESG digital framework. In this way, they can more easily understand relevant data and metrics, provide tools to calculate, collect, aggregate, analyze impact data, and report to investors.
Data from investees is automatically populated to the manager's portfolio monitoring portal, and then the system sends an updated report to the fund investors. And as part of our future development plans, we'll be plugging in the investees' internal systems with HERMESNET to close the automation circle.
We believe the market opportunity for HERMESNET is huge, because from our research, we know that existing commercial solutions struggle to help private equity houses address the data management and ESG problems.
At HERMESNET, we focus on ESG. Our solution is flexible and customizable, and whatever ESG methodology our clients use, our product can be tailored to their needs.
We can even help those clients who have no ESG framework in place by leading them through a step-by-step process to establish one and then implement it. And because HERMESNET is a 100% SaaS product without any need for complex integrations and IT infrastructure investments, it's easy and affordable for clients to start using.
We have now developed our product prototype and created a robust business model, and of the 70 private equity houses we have been talking to, 25 of them are keen to help us to bring the HERMESNET solution to the market and become our first institutional clients. Here's what some of them have been saying about us.
With a private equity market worth around $11 trillion, we estimate a serviceable available market for HERMESNET of approximately £20 billion, growing at 16% per annum.
Over the next 3 years, we believe we can capture ESG responsible firms representing at least £2 billion of this market.
Our SaaS business model targets general partners, limited partners, and fund of funds with a simple subscription model, leaving out any complex integration.
With the funding we've already secured and the additional funds we are looking to raise in this round, we will continue to scale up our business.
In the next 18 months, we believe we can grow our customer base significantly, and we will be looking to expand our team to around 30 to service their needs.
The private equity industry, with huge sums of investors' money ready to be invested, is one of the most powerful forces that can bring a real difference for the planet's sustainable future. We look forward to you joining us on our exciting journey.